Previously on LukeAndKarla.Travel. We're trying to make good time because they said on the boat there's a chance we might still be able to get a ticket. Unfortunately, we were too late in the afternoon and all the spots were taken on the boat, so we weren't able to do the boat on the Argentina side of the falls.
Now, in LukeAndKarla.Travel, this is the story about how we missed the flight to Sao Paulo.
Be positive, we're not going to miss the flight. Behind us there's a huge line. I don't know if you can see it that well, but everybody's in line here to get into Iguazu this morning. We have a flight at 1:30 today, but we've decided that we're crazy enough to try to do the boat ride. We weren't able to do it yesterday on the Argentina side of the falls because by the time we got through customs and everything, they were already sold out for the day. So we got here first thing this morning. We're in line.
We are in Brazil.
Yeah, we have
this
all
is
of our
not
stuff.
in Argentina. This is in Brazil.
Yeah. So we're pushing really hard to get this done today. We already bought our tickets for the boat. We're waiting in line to get tickets right when the park opens. We're going to hurry, throw our stuff in a locker, and get to the boat as fast as we can.
Bueno, y tenemos que estar, revuelves a la 1:30 y tenemos que estar 1 hora antes y nos dejan pasar con todo esto 2 horas antes y tenemos que subir la maleta a ver si llegamos.
This is what we do for our fans. Crazy things like this. This is for you, YouTube.
Eso es real.
It looks like we might get our own safari. We're the first people here, it seems. I don't see anybody else.
Private tour.
I hope that we get to go on the boat ride, just us and the captain.
Hasta me da pena porque todos estaban sentados y llegamos nosotros y se tuvieron que parar como para, pásenle y qué oso.
I will be really scared though if they wait for like every seat to be full before we go. Because we have a flight coming up really soon.
It says that they can make a tour less than, no. Dicen que tienen que hacer un tour y que pueden esperar solamente 10 minutos. I think for environmental impact or something like that, but we will see.
Okay, hopefully soon it fills up.
We made friends. So in this term, our tour guide is bilingual. So Luke is the only person here that doesn't speak Spanish. So I have to hear the information again twice. This is gonna be fun.
We should have just said Spanish is good. Our bags in the locker here and we're pretty excited. We're going to get on the boat.
Yes.
There's a little like kind of a funicular that brings you down by the water, it looks like.
So the story is that when we went to Colombia, we went to the rapids y Luke perdió la cámara, la GoPro. Espero que no la pudo ver.
We're not putting this story on.
Yes, we are. So yes, we're excited about this. We hope not to miss the flight. We are waiting for people to change their clothes.
We're hoping we can make it to the airport in time.
Yeah, if not, Luke told me that to have fun, but I'm just thinking that we are to be homeless for tonight. We don't have a place to sleep, and we don't have a flight. Yeah.
But I think we're going to make it. Go down. They're scared now. It's gonna be bad later. We made it to the boat, so we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, what I have to say is that elderly people have the best attitude. There was a man that is in front of the land. He helped me with my, how do you say this?
With tying your strap. You have a
Yeah.
spider on you.
I mean, we don't know if we are going to miss the flight, but it's fine.
So far it's been a really exciting ride. There were a lot of rapids. I don't know if the GoPro captured it as well as I hope it did, but we're taking a little break here by the falls. I think we're gonna get wet here soon, like real wet.
Okay, let's take like a picture.
What do you think about this situation?
What situation? That situation?
The funicular not running and they're working on it.
I think we did pretty good in this adventure, but I hope it's not something that we are going to lose our flag for that.
I see a staircase back there. In an emergency, I'm going to swim to it. We're gonna make it, don't worry. We made it. We're on the plane. Actually, the trip went pretty quickly. It was about 11 o'clock when we got off the river, and our flight wasn't until 1:30. So by the time we got to the airport, it was still an hour and a half before departure.
So what you didn't see is that we fuimos al final del parque, pedimos el Uber saliendo del autobús que te lleva del río a la salida del parque, pedimos el Uber y nos cambiamos súper rápido, llegamos al aeropuerto, Luke alcanzó a documentar su maleta y ya lo hicimos. Ahorita sí, muy calmados y todo, pero no puedo creer que lo logramos.
I'd say two things. We're really lucky that nothing went wrong with this kind of plan because you never want to be on a boat like the day that you have to be on a plane in the afternoon. But also just that the plane was delayed a little bit. I mean, gave us extra time. We didn't need it, luckily. But just, I'm really happy we did it. I mean,
Mi cabello sigue mojado.
but if we hadn't ridden on that boat, we would have been saying for like the rest of our lives, we have to go back to Iguazu. And not that I don't want to come back, it was actually really great here. It's just good that we checked it off the list.
Cuando nos despertamos eran como las 6 de la mañana y LukeAndKarla, ¿vamos a ir o no vamos a ir? Y yo, no la vamos a hacer. Pero qué bueno que lo hicimos y lo logramos. No nos quedamos sin vuelo y tenemos donde dormir.
So now off to Sao Paulo.
Vamos.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss our video next week.